I made it to the ocean. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do yet because my first camping idea, it just was not panning out. So now I'm at kind of this like sketchy. Well, I guess it's not sketchy, but this is, I guess, a state campground. But I'm confused because it is self-paying and you have to put $35 in a slot. And I don't carry around exact change or cash that much. Okay. I just showed up at this campground. Look how like amazing this is. There's a whole late check-in display. Oh god. Ignore those like child screams. And then there's a sign that says if you do not have a reservation, you may only choose a site that is here and our availability. And then you open this quaint little door, and there's like headings carved in the wood. Like, this is kind of unreal. And I would want a tent site, so I think there's 3 here. Wait, I think there's 4. Pretty sure I want one of the beach ones. Wait. Okay. So yeah, this one says T8 and T11. What's that noise? Oh, it's a big ass car. That was what? Okay, they're not going towards my car. So I'm just looking at this. So the T8 and T11. Wait. Is it like, oh, there it is. They circle them. Of course, they're so organized here. I'm like shocked. What's that noise? What is this one? Just drive to the beach. Stream back to office and pay by 10 a.m. Wait, I don't understand this. Oh, okay. Are there beach sites? Do the beach sites have like fire rings? Here's the beach site. You start here. You drive up. Why do I feel like I'm just doing like a survival movie? And then it says 15 beach sites. Okay, I guess I'll take one of those. This is better. Fill out registration form. Place the white copy of a registration form and I'll go with payment. Wait, where's it? Oh yeah, no checks please. If you're paying by credit card, please fill out the form provided. What form? I'm gonna get some pants on. Oh. There's a whole form where you can put in your credit card. This place is like magical. Okay, I need to like get my card and get my pen. I don't know if I look tired. I definitely need to find a pen. I don't see one. To work with this. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm pretty sure I've just put a pen in here recently. Oh my gosh. What? I might have like randomly taken it out like today. Next, going to set to no idea where. Oh. Yay! I like 3 of them. Okay. Might as well just stay here for now. So I'm just filling out all this stuff. First site, I think I just put beach. Oh my gosh, it got kind of dark, but it's fine. A beach site is less expensive for some reason. It's funny, when I drove up to this campground, I was like, maybe I'll just like camp in some open site and then pay in the morning. I just had a feeling that they might be open for that. Literally don't know what day it is. Damn it. Okay. I can do the other stuff though. I wonder if they had, like, knowing how organized this place is already, I bet they had pens like in that little cabinet and people like took all of them. Because people love to take pens, I think. Okay. All that. I don't know if I'm like really in the dark right now. Should I lie and say there's 2 people with me? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Because why not? It's only gonna up my protection. Car make. Oh, this is the first time that I'm like putting in Toyota 4Runner when something asks for that. Oh my god, I don't know my license plate. Okay, perfect. Almost started saying it out loud. Apparently it doesn't do anything too horrible if the public knows your license plate, but at the same time, if I can just keep it to myself, probably just gonna do that. Okay. This place is so cool that you can just show up late. I did want to like have more of a what do you call it? I wanted to find a free campground, but unfortunately that didn't work out. Like the side road was like something really strange. It looked blocked off. So just doesn't seem the safest. Said, how did you hear about this? I wrote in just from driving by. Because that's funny. Okay. So today is Sunday. I think it's just like, where did that other paper go? I think it's just, and there's like a charge. I'm so confused. What does that mean, sites are tagged? Okay, I need to stop so I can check what the date is. Okay, I have my filled out form. And here's the drop box. It's hard to do that while filming. Oh wait, there are more pens. Oh my god. Oh my god, my neck just cracked so badly. Okay. Apparently they have Wi-Fi. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Guard shack. I think I do this like road here and then just stay left all the way to the end. Okay, people. Well, this turned out to be a fun video. It says be alert for bears, which is quite shocking. I am very much in the dark. It's okay. like really strange filmmaking to be in the dark? Okay, there's a fork in the road. It's there to stay left, so you see me like this. Might be able to see me. Oh yeah, because the sky is like a little lighter over here. This place is so cool. Okay, another fork in the road. Stay left. Still RV sites. I imagine it's going to be like colder on the beach, but I was honestly prepared for that.